about a star faculty or a member or a mentor who possibly changed your online class for the best?
My first mentor was Shruti Huli ma'am. She was very nice. She picked up my calls every time and she replied to my mails very immediately. She was very helpful.
So in first semester I got 5 subjects. So one of the subject which is called organization behavior, which has become my favorite subjects. They teach by Neetu ma'am. I just today meet them and say hello.
Our maths teacher, I currently can't remember his name, but he's very good in the first semester. So like he's very interactive and helps us to like grab the concept.
The main thing is whenever I have any doubt, my mentor Jay Teerth, I always ask to him and he always respond to my things. And the thing is कि यहाँ पे एकम program के लिए भी I only received the email of application closing thing. So I've contacted him. He told me the every procedure कि to contact the help desk and see what you can do for that. And that is the best thing I love about my mentor.
Manjusha ma'am, she is my mentor. And she is so much supportive. Whenever I face anything, any problem, she will definitely help me.
Our business communication teacher, of course. That's why I chose that superpower, because she is quite good with the curriculum, as well as she makes the sessions very interactive.
I have one faculty which can elaborate all the things in the real world. When the students get belongingness to the real world of a topic or any subject, they connect to them very easily and they remember all the sort of things which were involved in that subject or a particular topic.
So he's a faculty of C programming and he greets us with dear students, welcome to Manipal online. और वो ग्रेड के बाद जो उन्होंने पढ़ाना हमें स्मूथली स्टार्ट किया है, दैट वाज अमेजिंग. मतलब हमें ऐसा नहीं लग रहा था कि हम लोगों ने पहली बार C++ को देखा है. मतलब दे स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम बेसिक और जो एग्जांपल से उन्होंने क्लियर किया है ना हमें, लाइक अमेजिंग. आप प्रैक्टिकली से इमेजिन करने लग जाते हो कि यार मतलब दिस इज़ अमेजिंग कि ये कैसा एग्जाम्पल है. मतलब ऐसे एग्जाम्पल, ऐसी फैकल्टीज आपको बहुत कम मिलती है, ऑनलाइन हो ऑफलाइन हो कहीं पर भी. इतने अच्छे से पढ़ाना, जैसे एज आई सेड कि मैंने पहले भी ली है C++ की, वहाँ पर भी देवर लाइक कि यू हैव टू थिंक बट दे डोंट टीच यू कि हाउ टू थिंक.
Right.
Yes, but Manipal teaches you how to think logical.
Dr. Surbhi Mathur ma'am, she's very great and she asked student like when I was learning about financial management, she taught us like in a very great manner. Like she keeps asking about questions about general entries and all, so that student don't forget those things and they get things memorized easily.
My present mentor is Uday.
Okay.
Who is always in a support of me. Who always guide me personally what to do, how to do, because sometimes because I'm working, so I forgot to that I need to book my exam slot.
Right.
So he remind us please do an exam slot or to help out, because in the last year, means this year only, I was having an medical emergency.
Okay.
So 2 exams I can't give. So he helped me to rechange the date. So I skipped those dates, so again he helped me to rechange the date. So again I'm thankful to them for helping me out for that.
So I wouldn't say the professors have changed my point of view about learning, because everybody is amazing. Each and every class I attend has a different touch of their own when they are delivering the topics
Right.
that they are gonna say or convey to us. So I think everybody is doing amazing. So there's no specific person that I would say has changed my point of view.
It's Abhishek Pandey sir. He used to teach us in the first and third semester.
Okay.
So he's a really great one. Whenever I have doubts, I usually just go to the discussion board and he's always there to answer every of my query that I have.